AC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, simply gorgeous weather the last couple of days. Nice and cool at night, warm in the afternoon. Unfortunately, the nights are not going to be quite as cool, but still comfortable tonight, tomorrow night. But that begins to change as we head into the weekend as the dew points come up and the humidity increases. And that won't be followed shortly. That will be followed shortly by some showers and storms, especially Sunday. So more on that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look at Girard Park. Beautiful day to be out there as our videographer Amos Sterling had a nice afternoon. Why not shoot the ducks, feed the ducks? These guys are probably the best fed ducks and ducklings in all of Acadiana. Oh boy, so cute. All the little ducks going by, following mama and maybe daddy too, moving along. And I always look to see, okay, wavelets out here, very light wind, not completely calm, but a little bit of a wind out at Girard Park at the lake there. Oh, there's one guy. Come on, hurry up. Let's get going. He's the one lagging behind. So let's take a look at the big picture. And as we open it on up and look at the water vapor imagery, we're in a nice dry west-northwesterly flow, a ridge of high pressure over by the Texas Panhandle. Surface ridge of high pressure is right over Louisiana, thus a mostly sunny day again today. First in a series of weather makers coming into the Pacific, producing heavy rains here, eventually severe weather as we get into Friday, Saturday from Texas on up through the plains. And then there's going to be another batch of energy that comes in next week behind this. So big severe weather period coming up from Texas all the way up through the high plains and maybe portions of the Midwest as we go into the weekend and much of next week. But we miss out, I think, on most of the severe weather threats, and that's the good news. On the satellite imagery this afternoon, severe weather threat across the Dakotas this evening with another system that's rolling through southern Canada. Here's the main weather system in California. Heavy rain. Look at this, even snow. Winter storm warnings, even though it's spring. I guess they should call it a spring storm warning for snow in portions of the Sierra Nevada. So you know this one's a potent system, and eventually it's going to manifest in strong to severe storms off to our north and west. Meanwhile, locally, a ridge of high pressure pretty much centered right along the Mississippi River by the False River area, allowing for the winds to kind of go around it. Very light winds, though. Nearly calm winds will continue into the overnight hours. Temperatures today, look at the morning start. Lower 60s for most. It was milder Lafayette, New Iberia, but flirting with the upper 50s in a few spots. And then this afternoon, warming up nicely. 88 was the official high in Lafayette. Touched 90 degrees unofficially in Abbeville this afternoon. So the heat is here to stay, and eventually the humidity will be coming in. High pressure in charge through tomorrow afternoon. Lunchtime temperatures in the lower 80s. That ridge of high pressure begins to shift off to the east. We'll call it mostly sunny, but some clouds in the afternoon like what we saw today. Don't think we're going to see any significant rain chances going into Thursday and Thursday night, and then into Friday. That high pressure ridge begins to shift off to the east, so we're going to start to see more of a southerly flow. So the heat index and the humidity gradually coming up for Friday, and certainly coming up as we head into the weekend, courtesy of stronger southerly winds feeding strong to severe storms that'll be to our west and to our north. Could see a few showers Saturday. Instead of 20%, we got 30% now for Saturday afternoon. Just a pop-up shower or storm, not expecting anything severe. Then going into Sunday, tail end of the frontal boundary with that storm number 1 will produce scattered showers and storms across the area. Not thinking we're going to see a severe weather threat. That would be mainly from northern Louisiana on northward, but we can't rule out an isolated strong storm. Then maybe a lingering shower or two going into Monday. More severe weather back to our west. That just means breezy and warm conditions here locally. European model indicating slight chance of storms as we get into next Wednesday, but that looks dubious. And then toward the end of the next week, high pressure builds in from the east and aloft. That means mostly sunny and even hotter weather on the way, but maybe the dew points will be coming down toward the end of next week, and that would be good news. Rainfall wise, as we head into the weekend and beyond, not much rainfall here locally. Higher amounts as you go to the west, especially as you get back into Texas. So temperature wise tonight, we drop down into the low to mid 60s. Northern parishes, mid 60s I-10 corridor, and mid to upper 60s as we get down along the coast. Cameron stays in the lower 70s. And then tomorrow, another nice warm up. We'll get into the mid to upper 80s tomorrow night. Not quite as mild, but still not too bad. Mid to upper 60s, and then back into the mid to upper 80s for your Friday. Friday afternoon. So pleasant evening ahead, not quite as cool, but near normal. Temperatures in the 66-degree range for Lafayette. Another nice and warm one tomorrow, mostly sunny skies. That humidity starting to edge up a little bit higher, and we'll talk more about that tonight at 10. Humidity on the upswing this weekend with the rain chances mainly for Sunday. Few showers Saturday. We got great weather for the Smoked Meat Festival, and then as we go into next week, those temperatures continue in the upper 80s, and look at those overnight lows, low to mid 70s. So that's when it starts to feel like summer. So the feelings of summer just days away. Sounds like a song. The feelings of summer, just days away.
By Rob Perillo. I like
Jim and I will sing backup for you.
Yeah, yeah.
You're ready to release
You're the
that
front
hit.
man,
Sounds good. I'm more poetry read or rap than actually sing.
Rap.
A rap, okay.
Very good.
A new
Looking forward
rap
to that
hit
then.
coming from Rob Perillo, everybody. Be on the lookout for that one.